Hello friends, welcome to my presentation. Myself Ajin Shah. Today in this video, you can see the intro for Orthopedics in Physiotherapy. What is Orthopedics? Orthopedics is the science and art of diagnosis and treatment of all diseases and disorders of human locomotor system. Evolution. The word orthopedics was coined by Nicolas André, a physician in Paris in the year 1741 from two Greek words, that is ortho meaning stride and pedia meaning child. When Nicolas André defined it, the subject dealt with the problem of straightening deformities in children. Next, emblem of orthopedics. The emblem of orthopedics depicts a tender young plant with a deformity in the trunk being tied to a stride pole used as a splint to gradually correct the curvature in the stem. This typifies the conservative management of the deformities, which succeeds well if it is done when the patient is young. More recently, surgical management of many orthopedic deformities is being increasingly used and accepted. This is symbolically represented by a modified emblem showing a second plant where the bent stem has been cut as multiple levels and straightened using a straight central rod. Next, we can learn about some of the useful terminologies in orthopedics. First, arthrotomy. Surgical opening of a joint is called as arthrotomy, and it is indicated to inspect the interior or perform a synovial biopsy, to drain a hematoma, to remove a loose body or damaged structure, or to access inflamed synovium. Next one is orthodesis. Fusion of a joint and preventing any motion is termed as orthodesis. This is the most reliable operation for a painful or unstable joint where stiffness does not seriously affect the function. Next one is arthroplasty. The surgical refashioning of a joint aiming to relieve pain and to restore movement is known as arthroplasty. There are three types: excision arthroplasty, partial replacement and total replacement. What is excision arthroplasty? Sufficient bone is excised to create a gap at which movement can occur. For example, grilled stone hip arthroplasty. Next one is partial replacement. Only one articular component is replaced. For example, Aston Morris prosthesis for a fracture of femoral neck. Total replacement. Both articular bone ends are replaced by prosthetic implants. Next one is osteotomy. The surgical breaking, that is cutting of a bone, is named as osteotomy. When the bone is broken manually for a correction of deformity, it is called osteoclasis. Some of the other terms in orthopedics are osteogenesis, that means new bone formation; arthrography, that means imaging of a joint by using dye inside it; next, neurolysis, releasing a tight nerve; neurotomy, cutting a nerve; neurorrhaphy, repairing a nerve; tenotomy, cutting a tendon; and tenodesis meaning attaching a tendon to another tendon or bone. Okay friends, I'm here to wind up this video and we can see the continuation in the next video. Thank you for listening to my presentation.